this one. All of you, please type law depot employee employment law depot employment contract. Okay, then you can see this first option. I hope my screen is visible, everyone.
Yes, visible.
Yes. Now please click on this particular part, free employment contract. Okay, then this page will open over here. Okay, you all are on the same page, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now I'll tell you the features of this particular bot, or I can say it as particular software. Now, this particular law depot services, particular law depot tool, or I can say that web page, they are making contracts for you. And how they make contracts for you, you just need to choose certain option. And even you can make contracts according to the countries where you're practicing right now. Please unmute your mic, whoever have mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Please mute your mic, I'm saying.
It's
Now, this is a country where you are practicing. You guys need to choose. If you click on more, here are many countries you guys can see, and you can select wherever you are practicing. So right now we all are in India, and we are working this for India only. You are making contracts for India only. So I have chosen India. Then you can click on create free account, sign in. When you're creating a free account, they're giving you 100 to 50 uh, drafts for making it. Okay. But right now I'm not logging in. Okay, but I'll show you how easy this is. So you guys just help me for making this type employment contract. Okay, now one by one, anyone can tell me type of employment. What should I choose? Yes,
ma'am accounts or permanent.
permanent full time.
Yes.
Okay, I'm clicking on create my document. We all also follow the steps. Please open on your tabs also. Take your time. I'll wait. No issues.
Ma'am, can you just repeat the procedure?
Yeah,
Something
yeah,
is.
yeah, I'll show you. No problem.
Hmm.
Okay. Oh, just a second. Okay. Ha. You just need to type here law depot employment contract. Then you will see this first tab, free employment contract. Okay, edit and print in PDF. Just click on this. Then you can see this first page. Yeah, and this is very easy. Okay, this is like a game. You just need to choose the option. That's it. So even if you feel that you are understanding just by observing, and this is really easy, even a kid can also do if we guide him or her. Okay, so I'll tell you here I am choosing permanent full time. Then I'm choosing over here save and continue. Click on this tab, then you can see the procedure of saving. Now date of employment. Now let's choose the last month, October 10th, 2025. Again I'm saying okay. Again you need to click save and continue. Uh, Here we need to choose a location. Can anyone tell me which location I should use?
I'm
All you
Delhi.
guys, Delhi? Okay. It's not showing Delhi. Why?
It's showing Haryana only.
Yeah. Now let's choose Goa.
Okay.
I hope everyone would love to work in Goa. Okay. Save and continue. I hope others are also following me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Now, location of work. Now, whenever we are writing a location of work, when we are using any tool or when we are using any platform, try to write down the building number. So, just say, for example, I am writing plot number 35, comma, near Park Street, Goa. and a pin code. So randomly I'm writing something. So I have just added a number of that building with a pin code, and it should be a detailed address. Okay. Now the employee will also be required to work at other location. I am clicking yes, including the tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 cities. So specify which cities. So I am writing Mumbai, then I am writing Pune, and I am also writing Bangalore. So don't worry, even if your formatting is wrong, if you have written spelling wrong, don't worry. There is a magic at last. Okay. Save and continue. Yes. Employer details. Who is the employer, guys?
Company, organization,
Company
individual.
or correct. Employer means company or organization. So we need to write name of the company. I am just writing IBM. Okay. Again, same address of the company. So let's say that where they wanted to work, that area we need to choose. So I'll write the address of the company, same. They're asking, do you want to include additional contact information for written communication? Click yes, and then write down the fax number. These days many companies have their own, many firms have their own mobile numbers, or they're having their landline numbers. Now fax number can be replaced with that, and email id. So let's say that here I'm writing a email id like vil underscore. Okay, let's say that this is their email id. Okay, I hope you all are on the same page. Now, if you don't know what does this mean, here they have given the definition. Who is the employer, who is the employee? Okay, so if you feel that I don't know about it, just click on this, or you just put your cursor over here, they will give you the definition. So that much easy they have made this. Okay, I hope all are on the same page.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Please click on save and continue. Yes. Employee details. Now we need to write the employee's name, where he belongs to. Okay. Now, can anyone suggest me any name? Let's write Akshay's
ABC.
name.
Okay.
Okay. Akshay D. Address again we need to choose. Uh, so here we write address like this. He's also from Goa. I'm assuming it. Just so randomly I'm writing. Now, most of the time individuals don't have fax number. Most of the time. There are some exceptional people. Again, we'll write his email. So randomly I have written his email id. Okay, basic details. Again, here they have given who is employee, who is employer. Now we don't need to read because we know already. Save and continue. Yes. Position. I'm writing legal associate. Okay, now they're asking job description including initial duties and obligation. Like a clause you guys need to write over here. Describe whatever you want. Even if you don't add this part, still it will be added. How? That I'll tell you. Okay, now why we are having this, many companies have their own specification. Now what I have done, I am also using Grammarly to check my grammar and to make my sentence formation in a very well versed manner, so it should be looking like it is more professional and not some freshy have been written it. So for that purpose only, whenever we are drafting or whenever we are writing something, we are using this Grammarly or Quillbot. Anyone you guys can use when you are there in a hurry. But when you are not there in a hurry, please sit down and write it the way you want. And we all are well versed with all the languages, even if you are working at the regional level, even if you are working at the national level. Okay, depending upon. Okay, but the tools which I'm introducing it to you, they are only there in English. For regional, we have not came up with any of the tool till now. Okay, so in English only I can suggest you, but how you can convert it into a regional language, that I can tell you. Okay, now this is I'm skipping, I'm not writing anything here, but whenever you want, you guys can add the additional duties and obligation. Now, can the employee job duties change later? Yes. Okay. Yes. Now they are showing this question according to the Indian legal system, how it is there in India. If you change this countries, then they will show according to how the rules are there in their country. Okay. Next is save and continue. Yes. Would you like to add this probationary period, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. How much? 1 month according to the new regulations.
Okay.
Save and continue. Remuneration.
Salary.
Correct. Now he is a legal associate. How much salary we should pay him per year? Let's choose per month. Okay. Now this is a trend. People writing per month salaries. How much?
50,000.
Oh, very less you are assuming. ठीक है, no issues. 50,000 per month. Okay. Now save and continue. Will the employee be paid overtime? Paid according to law? Do not specify. According to employer's lawful policy. We Indian people are literally writing this. Now I have chosen this option. If the employer already has a standard policy in a place that will address the employee's remuneration for overtime worked, then this employment contract will simply make reference to that policy. That's why we are choosing according to employer's lawful policy. Now, whatever question you have in your mind, every question is having its answer over there only. Okay. Now next is save and continue. Pay period. Once per month. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
According to employer's policy, depending upon, because sometimes they also give this bonus. Sometime they are also sharing the profits with the other firms. Most of time, if they are jointly working on any case. So we here, according to law, I'm choosing once per month. But if you are working with any firm or any chambers, you can choose according to employer's policy. Depends upon. Okay. Save and continue. Working hours. How much working hours?
9 to 5.
Correct. 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay. Save and
Yes, ma'am.
continue. Annual leave. Now that person is a legal associate. Let's choose 30 days, including your casual leave, your sick leave, your medical leave, and earned leave. Okay.
Right, ma'am.
I hope you know how they are dividing it. So 5 casual leaves, 5 sick leaves, 10 medical leaves, and 10 earned leaves. Okay. Now
Hmm.
this is one of the most important part of your contract. Most of the time, people are choosing both the option. Both the options are there in your contract. Confidentiality clause also and non-solicitation clause also. Okay. Now, if you don't know what are these clause, again, same I am saying, but everyone knows what is NDA,
Yes,
non-disclosure
ma'am.
agreement, right?
Right,
So
right.
most of the time it is attached with your employment contract, but we have never seen non-solicitation.
Hmm.
Okay. So it is also preventing you for certain things. Now, what is that prevention? That you all have studied in your law schools. Okay, and this is one of the easiest clause, I can say that. Okay. Now, accordingly, choose any one. Now, here I am just choosing confidentiality clause because most of the companies or organization in academics also, in non-academics also, they do have this confidentiality clause. So, as I'm choosing for 1 year, so one for 1 year only, it will be applicable. Next is save and continue. Termination of notice 30 days. How much notice must be employee given before ending the employment? 30 days only. Okay. Save and continue. Additional clauses. If you guys wanted to add additional clauses, same here. Click A, clause A. Okay. Clause B, clause C. Now I'm not writing any because I really don't want it to give anything. Okay. So I'm choosing no for now. Then this is the last step. Now here you guys can see until which steps you guys are right now. Now we are at the last stage. Now it will take some time. Just click on save and continue. Signing details. Date agreement to be signed. Specify the date. Now we have chosen October 10th, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's not. Oh, okay.
So signing date will be current date.
Current date. Okay,
He
let's
may
choose
have
10th.
been employed on 10th of October.
Yes, yes, yes. 10th of November we are choosing. Yes. Now this is a magic I'll show you, okay? And this is how your employment contract is done. Now I have not done anything. By themselves only, they have made this contract. I have not even typed anything over here. Okay. They have literally made this contract for me. But I'll tell you some obligation. Okay. Return of confidential information, contract binding authority. Everything is here. Remedy, severability, notices, everything. Modification, governing law, definition. Now here we need to change the line according to the Companies Act or whatever law is applicable over there. General provisions, employer employee signatures. We have chosen yes, that's why they are showing this. Now let's see one by one. Okay, what they have added, what they have made. I hope you all are also done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, correct. So this is between, yes, this is between IBM and Akshay D. Background we have written. I have not specified any background, but they themselves have made it. Okay. So they have written the background in consideration of the legal language they have followed in a very well versed manner. The employee will commence permanent full-time employment with the employer on 10th day of October. Okay. Which is a commencement date I have chosen over here. Now you can modify this. There is no issue. Okay. Now next is job title description, legal associate, and the initial job duties the employee will be expected to perform with the following. Now here we need to specify, just writing A, B, C, D. Okay. Even if you are not writing, the employee agrees to be employed on the terms and conditions set out in this agreement. The employee agrees to be subject to the general supervision of an act pursuant to the orders, advice, and direction of the employer. So by this, they are fulfilling all the clauses over here. Next thing is employee remuneration. So they are saying the remuneration will include salary of 50,000 INR per month as well as remuneration paid for overtime hours. Okay. And one by one, they have added all the obligation. Okay. Now they are saying overtime hours will be paid, but according to employer's lawful policy. Place of work, Goa, Mumbai, Pune, and Bangalore extended. Employees' time of work, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Now, this is not a proper format. I feel according to what we follow in a professional manner, though we need to modify this. Employees benefit, annual leaves, we have chosen 30 days, duty to devote full time, conflict of interest, confidential information means yahan se they have started the non-disclosure agreement. Okay. Now, I hope you all have made the same agreement. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Now, the thing is, you can't copy this. And if you want it to download, you need a subscription. Right?
Right.
Now, in this scenario, what you will do?
We'll subscribe to it.
Okay. But what if you are a student and you can't afford it?
Copy paste it?
You can't copy this. Will you be able to copy?
No,
No.
we have
no.
to take a screenshot
And then
and then go to Chat GPT or something and get it.
let's say that I really like the format and if you go to ChatGPT, ChatGPT will modify this, right? Now I'll tell you
Okay.
how to do this. Okay. That's correct. I have taken a screenshot. Open the next tab. Please observe this. Huh? Image to text converter for free. Okay. Don't use AI for this. Huh?
Okay.
ChatGPT. Don't use ChatGPT for this. It will modify.
One of my junior intern was trying to do this, and I told her not to do this.
I use this image to text info. This is a authentic one. Okay. Now browse. Now I'll choose that here. Pictures.
Ma'am,
Screenshot.
Chat
I have just
GPT can
taken
do
this
this.
screenshot.
Hello.
Yes, yes. You're asking me ChatGPT can do this. ChatGPT
Chat
can do
GPT
this,
can
but
do this.
only the
Yeah.
thing. Yes, yes, yes. It can, but the thing is, the results which you are getting now, they're modified version, not the same as it is. Okay, so that's why I don't rely on it most of the time, because whenever I have tried, it has been given me a really bad results. That's why now I have chosen, I have browsed, I have chosen that screenshot. Now I'm converting it. It will take some time. Okay, it is converted.
मैं मोबाइल में भी गूगल ट्रांसलेट करके एप्लीकेशन आता है, उसमें भी डायरेक्ट वो दिखा देते हैं
हाँ
मतलब।
हाँ, यस यस यस। सी, मोबाइल में यूज करना ना, इट्स रियली इजी सर। जितना
हाँ,
इसमें बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम्स है ना, उतना मोबाइल में नहीं होता है। सो
हाँ,
सी
गूगल
हियर आई हैव
ट्रांसलेट में
गॉट,
डायरेक्ट इजी हो जाता है।
बहुत ज्यादा इजी होता है। देखिए मैंने जितना स्क्रीनशॉट लिया था ना, ये
हाँ
सारे
जी,
टेक्स्ट यहाँ पे आ चुके हैं।
आ गया,
ओके,
करेक्ट। हाँ।
ठीक है। अब ये मुझे कॉपी पेस्ट करना है और ये मैं अपने गूगल डॉक पे पेस्ट कर दूंगी। ओके, आई जस्ट नीड टू मॉडिफाई सर्टेन थिंग्स, बट वो भी हो सकता है। इट्स वेरी इजी। आई एम जस्ट कॉपिंग, आई एम चूजिंग अ डॉक। ठीक है, और फिर उस डॉक पे आप कॉपी पेस्ट कर दो और उसे फॉर्मेट कर दो। दैट्स इट। दिस इज इजी टू डू। ओके, ये रहा मेरा डॉक एंड पेस्ट आ गया। आई जस्ट नीड टू मॉडिफाई सर्टेन थिंग्स, दैट्स इट। ये फॉर्मेटिंग में भी हो जाता है, देयर इज नो इश्यू। बिकॉज हम जैसे जैसे वहां पे दिया है वैसे हम नहीं लिखेंगे, वी विल मॉडिफाई ईच एंड एवरीथिंग। एंड इट्स अ गुड हैबिट ऑफ अ लॉयर if they are doing this. So got it everyone? Now do you
Yes,
feel
ma'am.
that this is really easy? Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yes.
Okay, and if you can afford, we all are working people, we can really afford this. So this is one time investment, guys, for a year. So if you feel that this is authenticated source, please use this. And plus the thing is, you can modify this. Okay, now for modification, let's say that these are the texts which I have copied from there. Okay, now the thing
Mm-hmm.
is, I didn't like certain things. Hmm? And I really wanted to change the language of those parts. So how I will do? Okay.